1, 2, 3.
Busca y crea la verdad.
1, 2,
Que
3.
nadie puede crearte.
1, 2, 3.
Que en la vida y en el arte
1, 2,
se
3.
encuentra la
5, 6,
libertad.
7. Turn in the neck.
Oye, Marieta, todo el mundo quiere bailar contigo.
And for the combination, is a particularity Sosa style part is Caricias, okay, and a lot contact with her, and it's just about single turns, but many Caricias, and so the difficulty is in the technique of the Caricia. Let's do it. For the partner work, we start with a classic 1 and 1, left, cross, cross, go to the left turn, 1 and 1. When you finish the second one move, you go directly to Caricia. Be careful because when I go to Caricia, you need to put the other hand in a correct place to free your Caricia. Because you arrive here after the 1 and 1 and you do this, you don't have space. So you need to separate your hands to do Caricia. Remember, first Caricia, contact, because you need the hand again. Start the single turn, go to her neck, and go Caricia forward again, and touch and go here. So from the top, really slow. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 1. 5, 6. Caricia first. 1, 2. Go to her neck. 5, 6, 7.
Outside.
This is 1, 2, 3. So it's here, easy to me. Yes, and classic exit. 5, 6, 7. When you arrive to the classic exit for the 1, you go directly to the Caricia with your left. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's not this. It's the same technique like the ladies. You continue with the Caricia, really near to her.
Yes.
5, 6, 7, and 1 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, Caricia. 1, 2, single turn. 5, 6, Caricia, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and
Caricia
1, 2.
again.
3, 4, 5. You need to close her fingers because you need to do Caricia to her, Caricia to you, and let go the hand. So it's just this with your right. 4, 3, 4, 5. And this hand need to lead the normal cross with the left turn. So this is 1, 2, 3. Forward and turn. 5, 6, 7. But do you have both hands? So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last part, you go to the preparation for the double. It's like a Puerto Rico sequence. Okay? And remember when we did this double with the contact? It's the same thing, but you need to switch the hand for the contact. So slow, she go for the double, you go down a little bit to take the contact, and when her back arrives to you, you continue with the other one, and you switch the contact. So you finish with your right hand in contact with her. And from here, this was the position of my hand. I turn around my hand to lead the last turn. So watch from the beginning. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, classic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Preparation, double.
1, 2, 3.
Contact. 5, 6, 7.
Hand,
1,
ladies.
2, 3.
And
5, 6, 7, 1. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3.
Ladies, only one thing is very important in this combination. Relax your arm. Remember, for relax your arm, we have to control so good our balance with the power, with our power in our legs and our feet, okay? If we put good power down, we can relax a lot up, and he can lead all this Caricia technique, okay?
Music.
Music.
We try with the music directly. Basic.
1, 2, 3.
1, go.
A mí me gusta que baile Marieta.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Que baile Marieta.
1,
Ay, Marieta.
5, 6, 7, 1. Ladies, also remember, if you need impulse for prepare, you can do. Look the part.
Que el mundo quiere
5,
que
6,
seas.
7, impulse
Tú no
with the
eres
feet,
el
okay? It's better to follow.
Que el mundo quiere
5,
que
6,
seas.
7.
Deja esas maletas
5, 6,
feas
7. Poder.
y viaja sin equipaje.
Caricia.
Me gusta que baile
Caricia.
Pero qué
1,
rico baila mi
5,
negra
6,
Marieta.
7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Todo el mundo
5,
quiere bailar con
6,
ella.
1.
Me gusta que
Touch your body.
One more.
1.
Busca y crea la verdad.
Go.
Que nadie puede crearte.
1, 2, 3.
Busca y crea la verdad.
1, 2,
Que
3.
nadie puede crearte.
1, 2,
Que en
3.
la vida y en el arte
1, 2,
se encuentra la
5, 6, 7.
libertad.
Turn in the neck.
Oye,
And 1.
Marieta, todo el mundo quiere bailar contigo. Me gusta que baile Marieta.
For these lessons, you understand, but I repeat to you, Caricias is the most important thing. And what is the most important thing in the technique inside Caricia? The contact with her.
Yes, for both.
You let go the hand to the next part. You let go the hand to the next part. You let go the hand to the next part. Because when I feel her hand in my body, I can take her hand really quickly because I understand where it is. Thank you.